is one thing to hear of dragons. It is another to feel their shadow steal your warmth. A roar splits the sky, not distant, not faint. Overhead, children scream, a mother grabs her son, men shout for everyone to run. Zara drops the basket. She doesn't move at first. She looks up and sees it. It was larger than the stories, larger than fear. Its wings beat once. The pressure alone knocks people off their feet. The rider points downward. The dragon inhales. Zara sees the glow in its throat. Time slows. Fire is beautiful. The dragon exhales. Flame crashes into the grain storage. Explosion of light. Screams. Smoke fills the air instantly. Sound cuts to muffled ringing. And merciless. Men on horseback ride through smoke. Not random soldiers. Organized. Efficient. They strike only those who resist. Others are beaten down, ropes thrown, wrists bound. Zara tries to pull a young girl from falling debris. A soldier grabs her arm, hard. She struggles, not wildly, strategically. He tightens grip. She looks at him, not pleading, memorizing. This was not war. It was acquisition. A man near her charges a soldier with a farming blade. He is cut down instantly. Zara sees it. Her breath stutters. Another roar above. The same dragon circles back low. Its eye sweeps across the ground. For 1 second, it locks onto her. Time slows. No sound, just wind. And in that moment, something stirred inside her. A whisper, not words, just pressure. A presence, gone as quickly as it came. She gasps slightly. The soldier jerks her forward. She stumbles. Her wrists are bound. Around her others are being chained together. Homes collapse behind them. The fire consumes everything. Smoke blocks the sky. Villages do not die loudly. They die in pieces. A door falls. A roof collapses. A child cries for someone who will not answer. Zara stands in line with the others. Her chest rises and falls quickly, but her chin lifts. She looks once more at the burning remains of her home, not crying, not screaming, watching. Fire takes everything except memory.